Welcome to Studio 289 in Spartanburg, South Carolina, the center of all things multimedia at Contec. I'm Daniel Crow, Contec's Manager of Multimedia, and I'm excited to show you our new studio, which opened in 2021 to better serve our markets. Studio 289 was created in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. As access to facilities became a challenge, we didn't want to stop the education that Contec is known for. Our broadcast quality studio can connect anywhere in the world, bringing in any remote presenter, connecting to any webinar or meeting platform, which allows us to train virtually anyone, anywhere in the world. In addition to the broadcast technology that we have in our control room, we also have various sets that we can use to help illustrate the topics we're talking about. In this case, right now I'm sitting in our panel discussion area. This set doubles as our hospital patient room set, so we can roll in a patient bed and various equipment to help serve our professional market. On the other side of the room, we have our pharmacy and clean room set that allows us to serve those markets. If you'd like to learn more about Studio 289 and book your training through the studio, reach out to your Contec representative.